Previously on Batman Arkham series.
Stop, Batman, please! You've got to help my babies!
Just stay where you are. Last thing I need is you running free.
You have to help me.
Ivy? Gee, you look like crap. Maybe I can sneak you some shampoo.
That was so bad.
Was that as easy as it looked?
Get it?
Well, he'll get me out. You'll see. You'll see.
Stop, please! I'm not important. I can't help you.
You're lucky the boss don't want you hurt too bad. Said something about you being a perfect bait. Don't get it. You're nothing special. Who's gonna save you?
Yeah, just in case someone does decide to try, we're ready and waiting. But Batman, stop.
It's the bat!
Don't run! Can you cut me free, Batman?
Thanks. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I eat punks like these for breakfast. What were they doing in here?
The ones that weren't hitting me went over there and started doing something to the power controls. I have no idea what they were doing.
Looks like Joker has booby-trapped this control box. This is going to be tougher than before, but it's a risk I'll need to take.
to go back to something you said in our last conversation.
Ask me anything you like.
You said your first offer to help Gotham was rejected. How can you possibly believe that?
What do you mean?
You released thousands of poisonous spores into Gotham, killed hundreds of people. How does that help anybody?
I'm not interested in body stuff.
Well, aren't you the persistent one? That's always one step ahead. It won't be long before I have an army of Titan monsters at my fingertips. Ooh, just imagine me being carried through the streets, stepping over the corpses of all those innocent citizens. It's going to be glorious, so I can't wait.
You need to stop this now, before it goes too far.
At this rate, you'll never catch me!
I need to find a way through this mess.
Help me!
After him!
Please, stop!
It's the best! Smash you in the teeth!
Are you okay?
Do I look okay? They were gonna kill me. We were in the aviary hiding out, and they came in with Joker shooting up the place and loaded us into cages.
Are they still in there?
No, man. No one's come out since. You got to help them.
Stay here.
Help me! Someone! Get me out of this thing!
Listen, the bat is on the way. If you see him, send the annoying doctors to hell. That's the down one, right?
Yeah, they're going down.
Good. And remember, if you hear a collar go off, Batman's here.
Joker's men are all wearing the security collars. I'll need to take out the operator first.
Joker wants him stopped. I'm gonna do it.
Batman better not try and mess with us.
Incapacitated the main threat, but the hostages are still in danger.
So you did get out my Well, good, baby. Do you remember about my heart? How you guys come and trap me? He's here. Don't let him find me. Another one fight later.
You heard the boy.
Joker wanted the entrance to the Titan production plant guarded. I should pick up Harley's trail again so I can find it.
I'm sorry. I thought I was working for Dr. Young. I had no idea Joker was involved until he burst in the lab.
Where is the lab?
Back over there. I always get buzzed through. There's a hidden door, but, well, you know, it's hidden.
I'll find it. Stay here.
discovered our secret lab. Since you've made it this far, let me show you what I've cooked up.
I've destroyed the Titan production facility. But Joker escaped with enough to cause us real problems.
Just when you think it can't get any worse.
They've been using a venom plant hybrid to create the Titan strain. The plant's the key. And there's only one person on Arkham Island who can help us.
And what makes you think Poison Ivy will help you?
If her plants are at risk, she'll listen. I have a sample of her pheromone signature on record. She'll be somewhere in the gardens. I'll track her down. I'm going to need something to get over this ravine. Now I can go find Ivy. Joker was busy while I fought his monsters. He'll pay for this.
It's all right, my darlings. I'm here now, my poor darlings. Yes, I know he's found us, but I won't let him hurt you. I'll kill him first.
Ivy, I know Dr. Young mutated these plants to produce venom.
Yes, and I heard it through the grapevine the evil woman paid the price.
I need you to help me create an antidote.
Why should I? Let Joker have his fun. I'll enjoy watching you squirm.
You've been in the dark too long. Every plant on this island will get the same unless you cooperate.
There's a plant growing deep in Arkham Island. Only it can counter the effects of this Titan strain.
Where do I find it?
Oh, in Killer Croc's lair. You didn't think it would be easy, did you?
Go back to your cell, or I'll be after you next.
And I'll be waiting.
Oracle, I need to find a way into Killer Croc's lair. It's somewhere below Arkham Island.
There's nothing on the system about where he's kept.
I found a door near the Batcave, but it's shut tight. There's got to be another way in. I left guard Cash in the mansion. I'll see if he can shed some light on where Croc's kept.
Yeah, go back and play with that bitch for a few more hours. The boss isn't ready for you yet. What the hell is that thing? Don't let him crap at it. This'll hurt. Hey! Screw you, Bat! We turned on the power! You're trapped over there! Yeah, not so special now, are you? What's he doing?
When are we getting our upgrades, man? Joker said we'd be more powerful than the Bat.
He's got the formula, right? Let's get away our turn.
When I get it, I'm gonna rip his head off and stick it outside City Hall.
Have you checked the timesheets? I'm sure there were more of you at the beginning of the day.
You heard the boss! Found him! Man down! Over here!
Is someone missing?
He's up there! Above us!
I want him dead. I won't let him hurt my babies again.
I can't believe that poor little eyes crying in a dog. She looks so sad. A little tight. Oh, gotta say, the results are a little different. Shall I give her another? I think she wants it. They don't call you Ivy for nothing, do they, dear? I was hoping for a 40-foot killer plant, but you don't always get what you want, do you?
Titan must be having a different effect on Ivy. Her plants are growing. They'll soon be out of control. Looks like the plants are mutating further. That pod appears to contain similar spores to the ones Ivy used to attack Gotham last year. They're deadly.
Batman. I figured you'd be here about now. What's the deal with the plants?
It's complicated.
Let me guess. Poison Ivy. She teamed up with Joker.
All that matters is that I can stop the plants taking over the island, but...
There's always a but.
Where do you keep Killer Croc? I found a door in the sewers, but it's sealed shut.
That monster's got his own special cell. It's right below the transfer room back in intensive treatment. Elevator goes right down to an old sewer. We just drop meat down there every day or so and try to forget about it. It's locked off. More security than the Joker. You won't get in without the warden's permission. He has the codes.
Thanks, Cash. Stay here and do not go near the plants. They'll kill you.
Did anyone catch the game last night?
You were right, Mr. J. Classic martyr case with delusions of grandeur. Cuckoo.
Head of security, you Joker. If you have any questions, please visit us at www.IThinkI'mGoingCrazyAndDressLikeAman.com.
Keep moving.
I'm not crazy! I shouldn't be here!
Keep those mouths shut.
Batman!
Hey, sweetums, you're gonna miss the party!
You have to listen to me! It's a mistake! I didn't do it!
Just got to check your prisoner, dear.
Whatever. Just be quick. He's not looking too good.
No, he's not. You should feel sorry for him. He never fully got over his parents' death. It left him quite insane. What is going on inside your head, Wayne? He's gone. Just a twisted shell of a man.
Cut me free!
He's all yours, Joker.
Oh, goody. Come on, Mr. J. We're ready.
I've waited a long time for this, Bats. Let's start the party with a bang.
What are you doing?
When I first heard the Joker aimed to take over this funhouse, I thought he was sick. When he outlined his vision of a hospital dedicated to ensuring inmates remain loopy for as long as possible, I thought he was left. When he held me down and Razor got a new smile on my face, I decided he had a point. Situated in a small island in Gotham Bay, we stop at nothing to ensure no screwball flight occurs. Recent successes with Bruce Wayne, a classic case of split personality if I ever saw one, have cemented our reputation as a pioneering slaughterhouse of a hospital dedicated to ensuring inmates remain remain loopy for as long as possible, I thought he was wacky. But he held me down and Razor got a new smile onto my face. Situated in a small island in Gotham Bay, we stopped at nothing to ensure no screwball flight occurred. Recent successes with Bruce Wayne, a classic case of split personality if I ever saw one, have cemented our reputation as a pioneering slaughterhouse. Our head of research, Dr. Crane, has made no real progress, but he seems to enjoy his rest. Our new patients ward is manned by Waylon Jones. I'm assured that he's cured almost every patient sent to him and boasts empty beds in all his wards.
Can you believe what you see, Batman? Scared to come out and face your fears, Batman? Out and face your fears, Batman? I think you need a little more. Tell me, what demons do you have left to beat? Shall we see? Are you enjoying the extra dose, little bat? Oh, I won't rush things this time. I'm going to savor every moment until as I slowly destroy you. Fighting back. Good. It can only weaken your resolve. How much more do you think you can take? Does it scare you to know that I've almost defeated you? ingested enough toxins to drive dead men insane. What are you?
Why fight it, Batman? You're as crazy as the rest of us. You need us as much as we need you. And to prove it, I'll flood the catacombs with enough fear gas to break the minds of everyone in Gotham for 100 years.